Good morning, everyone. In the previous lecture, we have seen the lesson autobiography of a great Indian bustard. Today, we are going to see the question and answers of this question of this lesson. So, first question is, which is the heaviest flying bird in India? The heaviest flying bird in India is the great Indian bustard. What is the name of the great Indian bustard in Marathi language? The great Indian bustard is also known as Mardok or Hum in Marathi language. What is the difference between male and female great Indian bustard? The female bustard is smaller and slimmer than male bustard. Also, she doesn't have a wide neck. What does the great Indian bustard eat for the food? The great Indian bustard eats snakes, lizards, small fruits, berries, and all sorts of insects. But grasshoppers and beetles are their favorite food. Where does the bustard live? The great Indian bustard lives on a grassland and deserts. So then in the on the page number 8 there are some questions, another questions. Question number 5, there is a chart and there are sentences. We have to you have to tell that sentences are about whether it about great Indian bustard or some other birds. Okay, I'm going to read that sentence. I'm the heaviest first sentence is, I'm the heaviest flying bird in India. It is about great Indian bustard, so you have to tick in the column of great Indian bustard. I am known as Madhok or Hum in Marathi. It is also about great Indian bustard, so you have to tick in column of great Indian bustard. I live in mountainous region. It is about some other birds. I don't like grasshoppers or beetles. It is about some other birds because grasshoppers and beetles are the favorite food of Indian great bustard. I don't next sentence, I don't believe in building nest. It is about great Indian bustard, so you have to tick in column of great Indian bustard. Our chick stays with the mother for a period of nearly 1 year. This is also about great Indian bustard. Then I am the state bird of Maharashtra. It is about some other birds, so you have to tick in the column of some other birds. Our Maharashtra state bird of Maharashtra is Haryal, so it is about some other birds, and in great Indian bustard is the state bird of Rajasthan. Last sentence, we have been pushed away from more than 90% of our home region. This is about the great Indian bustard. So now see, there is a question, another question, question number 2. You are going to meet a great Indian bustard very soon. Prepare at least 10 questions to interview him. So you have to write 10 sentences which you can use for the interview. You are going to take interview of that bird, great Indian bustard, and you should prepare 10 questions for that interview. Okay, then there is a fourth one question. Write a letter to your friend about the great Indian bustard. You may use following points. There are 2 points: why we need to protect the bird, what you plan to do help the bird. So using these 2 points, you have to write the letter to your friend and tell or ask him for helping that bird. So last year I have told you about how to write the letter, but I am going to explain or going to tell you that points once again. First, you have to write when you are going to write a letter. We are going to speak about or discuss about the informal letter. You have to write your friend about that great Indian bustard. So first, when you are writing letter, you have to write address first, your address, writer's address and the date. Okay, you have to write your address including date at the top of the letter, at the left side of the letter, or you can write it on the at the right side of the letter, but according to new syllabus you have to write it at the left side. Then below that address you can see here is a one letter. You can see here below that address you can write the salutation or greeting. Then you have to write below that salutation you have to write your message or communication, or what you want to say or what you want to speak about, you have to write here. That means the body of the letter, it is the body of the letter, you have to write here what you are talking about. Then after that you have to write there leave taking note, means yours faithfully, yours sincerely, like this. And then below that leave taking note there should be signature of writer, and in the end of that letter there should be the address of where to whom you are sending the letter. At the end of the letter you should write the receiver's address. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so you have to write that letter about great Indian bustard to your friend by using these two points which are which are in your books, and send it in the classroom. Okay, did you understand this? Okay, today we are going to stop here. Bye.